Hello everybody, it is Dale and I am here for Hey guys, it is Dale. I am here for another unboxing video, and this one's really interesting. It is the Artery PAL all-in-one kit, or the Artery PAL kit. When you take it off, the top off, it looks like this in the box. And this is a really cool little all-in-one kit. It's just this cute little square box. Here's your fire button. It is an internal battery, so there's your charging port. Your tank is kind of on the back here. It reminds me a lot of a billet box. If you don't know what that is, I would recommend just doing a Google search. It looks pretty much identical on the inside. And that's how it works, is very similar to a billet box. I received this guy, this one, which I might not be able to show you, but I did anyway. This is the one that I was given for myself to use, just to kind of see how I liked it. And so far I do like it. It is, in my opinion, a mouth-to-lung vape. And yeah, but the cool thing about these is they use the Nautilus coils, and you can put in like a higher ohm Nautilus coil and actually run Nic salts. So I think that that's pretty cool. I have not tried it with the Nic salts yet. We actually just got in the naked Nic salts from Naked 100, so I'll be trying that here soon. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to do this little unboxing video to let you know that I got them. And I'm going to be sitting on it for, I don't know, about a week, maybe 10 days to kind of get the feel. I am going to put in that Nautilus coil and run some Nic salts on it so that I can give you guys a full review video that is very detailed so that you guys know exactly what you're going to be getting. And in the full review video, I'll actually show you how to change the coil and fill up the little tank as well. So, yeah, guys, so stay tuned for my full review, and I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.